Google is bringing generative AI, especially in terms of multimodalities, to their search engine. Have you ever wondered about an image that this doesn't feel quite right? Is this image being shown in the right context? Has it been manipulated or faked? Where did it come from? When you are trying to figure out if a piece of information or an image is reliable, having the full context is really the crucial point. This is where this new feature of Google, which is called as Generative AI Powered Search Experience or SGE, will shine in the future, I believe. Because when you are looking at an image, or if you have some image in your mind and you can't really search it in Google Images, then now you can simply go to Google and then type your query here in text and it will generate the image for you. So you need to opt for SGE in your Google to play around with this feature as of now because this is still not public at the moment. Now, the thing is that you can even tap on any of those images and you will see how generative AI has expanded your initial query with descriptive details. Because this SGE is going to provide you up to four generated images in the results, and then you can choose your own which suits your need. When you opt for SGE, you may also see an option to create AI generated images directly in Google Images as part of the experiment. This feature is designed to appear when you are searching for inspiration, like any theme related image or any um, contextual image as per your object, like funny dog house ideas or ideas for bathroom renovations, and lot of similar stuff you can do with it. But at the same time, Google is aware that where AI can be so exciting, they also have recognized the importance of responsibility in AI. That is why they have also built safeguards into this experience and blocking the creation of images that run counter to their prohibited use policy for generative AI, including harmful or misleading content, which is great. And the way they are accomplishing is that every image generated through SGE will have metadata labeling and embedded watermark marking to indicate that it was created by AI. The image generation capability is only available in English in the United States at the moment and only to those people who are 18 years or older. Also, they have another feature with SGE where if you have any inspiration, for example, sometimes when you are researching a project or topic in search, you end up looking for writing ideas and inspiration along the way. So this is where this new SGE can help you out and create your draft, and then you can simply export your draft to Google Docs or Gmail, and then you can build upon it. So pretty cool, I would say. I think this is where the future is for generative AI, where it will be embedded and integrated into existing applications such as Google Search. So very stoked about it. I think they're also trying to counter Bing and other search engines. So let's see how this war plays out. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.